this method. Okay. So the next topic is Adams Moulton predictor character method. The next topic is Adams Moulton predictor character method, and this method is also used to compute find solution for ordinary first order ordinary differential equation, used to find solution of IVP. Y dash is equal to f of xy, y naught is equal to, okay, y dash is equal to f of xy. Now this method is used to find some value, to find y of x1. So this value we have to find, and we will note that x naught is actually x1 minus h. Okay, x naught is actually x1 minus h. Now we will compute. Okay, either it will be given in the question, or we have to compute the values of y minus 1. We will represent by y minus 1 is y of x naught minus h. Y minus 2 is, we denote y minus 2 is y of x naught minus 2h, and y minus 3 is y of x naught minus 3h, and so on. And this sometimes this value may not given in the question, then we will compute this value by using Euler's method or Runge-Kutta method. So in order to do this method, if we want to find out y of x1, we will note that x naught is x1 minus h. The value just before the value x1. Okay. Then what we will find, we will denote f minus 1. This value is actually f of x naught minus h, and we will put instead of y minus 1. F minus 2 is equal to f of x naught minus 2h, y minus 2, f minus 3, f of x naught minus 3h, y minus 3. So if we compute this value y1, y2 and y3, then we can find f minus 1, f minus 2 and f minus 3. So y minus 1, y minus 2, y minus 3, either it may given in the question, or we can find it by using Euler's method or Runge-Kutta method. Now there are two formulas for finding the value. First is Moulton's predictor formula. Okay, so first we will find Moulton's predictor formula. So you have to note it down. First we will find y1, that means y of x1, y1 of p is equal to, this is the predictor value, y naught plus h by 24, 55 f naught plus, sorry, minus 15 and f minus 1 plus 37f minus 2 minus 9f minus 3. So this is predictor formula. Okay, so we can find this. So here the new Adams predicted formula is this value. So y naught we know that is y of x naught, and h will be given in the question, and f naught is actually f of x naught y naught, right? F naught is f of x naught y naught, and f minus 1 we already find the formula. So then first we will find this y1 of p, and after that we will find f1. Find f1. F1 is equal to f of x naught plus h y1 of p. So then we will find out f1 f naught f of x naught plus h y naught y1 p, that means predictor value of y1. Then the last formula, and this is the final value, predictor character formula. Adams character formula is, please note these formulas. y1c is equal to y0 plus h by 24 9 f1. So here we know that what is f1. 9 f1 plus 19 f0 minus 5 f minus 1 plus f minus 2 plus f minus 2. So we derive these formulas by using Lagrange multiplier method and also Newton backward difference formula, etc. So we doesn't need any derivation. So you only need these formulas. Okay. So please note it down. So here there is one Newton's character formula, predictor formula. Sorry, Adams predictor formula yp, y1 of p. Then after that we can find f1. Okay. Then we can find character formula, y1 of character formula, and we will get the value from this. Okay. So before that, first we have to find what is y minus 1, that is y of x naught minus h. Either these values may be given in the question, otherwise we have to find by using Runge-Kutta method or Euler's method. So, and also note it down, if we want to find the value of x1, y of x1, then x naught is actually x1 minus h, the value just before x1. Okay. For Adams character predictor character method. So please note it down, these formulas. Please note down these formulas, and we will do problem now. Have we completed? Please write the formula. Then we will do problem. 2 or 3 problems we will do, and we will complete this. Newton's Adam Moulton predictor character method. Okay, first we will do a problem. We completed. Okay. So the problem is problem 1. Given y dash is equal to, or dy by dx is equal to x square into 1 plus y. And we have given the values. Y of 1 is equal to 1, y of 1.1 is equal to 1.233, y of 1.2 is equal to 1.548, and y of 1.3 is equal to 1.979. So these values are given. Evaluate, we have to evaluate the value of y of 1.4. So here x1 is 1.4 by Adams predictor corrector method by Adams predictor corrector method. By Adams predictor corrector method. Okay. So we will find the solution. So here given y dash is equal to x square into 1 plus y. Also we have given the values. Okay. So we have to find value y of, to find y of 1.4. So that means we find the value of y of x1. So x1 is equal to here 1.4. Then we know that x naught is equal to 1.4 minus h, and x minus 1 is 1.4 minus 2h. So from here we will get the difference between x naught and x minus 1. That is 1.1 minus 1.2, or 1.2 minus 1.1, or 1.3 minus 1.1. You will get h is equal to, or you can write. Okay, so here we have the difference between these values is 0.2. So h is equal to 0.1, sorry, 0.1. So we have x1 is equal to 1.4. Therefore x naught is equal to 1.4 minus h, which is equal to 1.4 minus 0.1, so 1.3. So what is x naught? X naught is this value. So this is y naught. Notice this value, and therefore this is y naught. Now what we will get, we will find, first we will find what is y3, y minus 3, and so we have the values. We have find the value. So the given value is 1 point, so 1.1, 1.233, and 1.2, 1.548, 1.3, 1.979. So these values are, this is actually this is x naught, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, and this is y minus 3, y minus 2, y minus 1, y naught. Okay, so these are the values y minus 3, y minus 2, y minus 1, y naught. So now first we will find what are the values of f3, f minus 3. So we have from the table x3 is x minus 3 is this, y minus 3 is this. So x equal to 1, y minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore f minus 3 is f of x minus 3. That means actually x minus 3 means x naught minus 3h. So that is x minus 3, x naught minus 3h, that is x naught minus 3h and y minus 3. So the value of f minus 3 is we have f of xy is, so from here f of xy is x square into 1 plus y, right? So this is f of xy. So from here this is f of x naught minus 3h, that is x minus 3 is equal to 1, y minus 3 is equal to 1. So f of 1 is 1 square into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So similarly we will find f minus 2. So x minus 2 is equal to 1.1, y minus 2 is equal to 1.23. So f of f minus 2 is f of x naught minus 2h, y minus 2, which is equal to f of x naught minus 2h, that is 1.1, and y minus 2 is 1.233. So this is equal to we know that this quantity f of xy is 1.1 whole square, 1.1 whole square, um, whole square into x plus y, 1 plus y, 1 plus y3, y minus 2. So 1.233, which is equal to 2.702. Okay. So similarly, we can find f minus 1. So x minus 1 is here 1.2, y minus 1 is here 1.548. So f minus 1 is f of x minus 1, that is x naught minus h, x minus 1, y minus 1, which is equal to, so if we add the quantity, I am writing the value 3.669. Similarly we can find the value as x naught is equal to, we have 1, y naught is equal to 1.976979, right? 979. Then f naught is equal to 1.3 square 1 plus y naught, 1.979, which is equal to 5.035. Okay. So here we have find f minus 3, f minus 2, f minus 1, f naught. Okay. So now we will use corrector predictor formula using predictor formula. Predictor formula is using predictor formula. Y1 of P is equal to Y0 plus H by 24 into 55 F0 minus 59 F minus 1 plus 37 F minus 2 minus 9 F minus 3. So this is equal to 1 Y0. Y0 is Y0 we already got 1.979 plus H 0.1 divided by 24, 55 into F0. F0 value is here. This is F0, 5.035 minus 59 into F minus 1, this quantity, 3.669 plus 37 into this quantity, F minus 2, 2.702 minus 9 into F minus 3. F minus 3 is this, right? This quantity 2. So if we calculate this by using a calculator, you will get Y1 predictor formula is 7.004. 7.004. Therefore, now we can find, we want to find x1, that is y of 1.4, that is x1 equal to 1.4. Now we have to find out what is f1. F1 is actually f of x1 or x0 plus h and y1p. So this is equal to f of x1 is 1.4 and 1.4 and what is y1p? Y1p is 7. X0 is 1.4 plus not predictor y1. I think we will use y1 here. Y1 is 1 point. Sorry. I made a mistake here. So this quantity is actually okay. So this quantity is actually so if we find this quantity y1 of p is actually 2.573, not 7.007. So So 2.513, y1 of p is 2.573, and so y1 of p I will apply here 2.573, which is equal to 1.4 whole square into 1 plus 2.573. So this value is 7.004. So F1 is 7.004. Now we can find by using corrector formula. Using corrector formula, y1 of c is equal to, we know that corrector formula is y naught plus h by 24 into y naught plus h by 24 into 9 f1 plus 19 f naught minus 5 f minus 1 plus f minus 2. So if we calculate this, 1.979 plus 0.1 by 24, 9 into f1 is 7.004 plus 19 into f naught is 5.0335 minus 5 into 3.669 plus 2.702. So the answer is 2.575. So hence the value y of 1.4 is equal to this value by using character value 2.575. Okay, so this is the corrected value.